Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah Long from MarineMax Sarasota in sunny, beautiful Florida, and I am standing on board our 2020 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer Outboard. This is truthfully a new class of cabin cruisers. We're not going to spend too much time today, but we're going to spend just a little touching on some key points. This boat is available as a traditional stern drive, but what we're seeing here in South Florida and spreading across the nation and even the world globally is a desire for outboards. So Sea Ray now builds this boat factory with twin and triple Mercury power. You can get 300s in a triple, or 250s in a triple rather, 350s in a twin configuration, and then plenty of stern drives. But what this boat really brings to the table is a massive dose of usability. For instance, this cockpit that I'm standing in, factory option here with snap-in SeaDeck. It's incredibly comfortable, but it's huge. This is much like the SLX line where you have entertainment value everywhere. You do have that table able to go there and give you a settee here in the back of the boat. Of course, you do have the electric sunshade from SureShade, runs all the way and covers all this seating, but they give you just a well thought out galley. Whether you're thinking optional grill because you're going to be cooking on board, table with a sink here with a fantastic cupboard, you've got isotherm down below, and a trash can. Honestly, if you think about this, the boat is just stunningly set up for any type of entertaining. As you step forward, they're pulling some of the other traits that make this a very much an entertainment boat. You've got a sliding backrest here. It does give you a double wide co-pilot seat, but it really opens up the back of the boat when you're at anchor. Of course, you got that Love Style helm seat here on one of the best helms that you can possibly find in this class. There's just no exception. From Mercury's joystick, which is very well known, to some of the very best from Fusion Stereo and even Simrad, you're seeing everything here right down to the helm deck air conditioning that you would see on a yacht that's larger. And it is an exceptional place to cruise. Of course, this boat will do over 50 miles an hour in its triple outboard configuration. And if all those options aren't enough, they give you a sunroof up over your head. Down below, what makes this boat a Sundancer is clearly a cabin. You guys who have been around, you know that. But you have to understand just how well this cabin is done for a 32. Of course, I'm about 6 foot tall and I have tons of headroom down here on the V-berth. And what you don't see is, despite this boat being a 32, underneath the deck is a cavernous spot for children or a second couple to be on board. Of course, you've got a truly fantastic head here, wet head, great shower, lots and lots of room, even air conditioning in there, something we haven't seen on boats in the past. And you've got a great second fridge down here, microwave, so you've got, if children are out of the way or you just need a second space to prepare, that's here as well. But there's one more thing that makes this 32 Sundancer unique. You can see that subwoofer, and it points to the emphasis on entertainment with this boat. And this is where it comes alive. So many times in the past, the front of a Sundancer has been just for those perfect days. Well, with the new crop coming from Sea Ray, what you're seeing is an expansive lounger, stereo controls forward, even a spot for a table, which this boat cleverly hides in the gunnels. Of course, stereo, spotlight, windlass, some of the accoutrements that you're used to and you need, but in an incredibly usable package. For those folks that are either getting more dialed into their cruiser or just starting into the cruiser world, it is hard to beat the package that this 320 Sundancer is. I'm Jeremiah Long from MarineMax Sarasota. This is one of the only ones on the west coast of Florida. It's a 2020. It is optioned to the hilt in that stunning deep Sea Ray blue. If we can answer some questions, or you actually want to see with your own eyes the performance on this boat, give us a call. We'll talk to you soon.